Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. Spring is finally here. Well, until tomorrow when it's supposed to snow, but that's okay. I'm getting ready for summer and I was gifted this hat. I am in love. So first of all, it's waterproof, SPF 50, and this is, I'm gonna say, one size fits most because on the back, you have this really nice elastic that pulls so that it will stay on most people. It's also great like if you have really windy weather. At the top you have mesh, so this is going to be nice and cool, and it's sweat wicking material, which is nice. So this is packable, which I love. It's just going to pack flat. And here's the cool thing. Underneath you can see you have all of these snaps, and you have a back flap and one for your face, and the one for your face has mesh as well, and then you have another drawstring for around your chin. You can see here the sweat wicking material around the crown of the hat. I also really appreciate that on the side the sides snap together, which is going to give you really that 360 sun protection. Okay, so let's try this on with the 360. Okay, it'll be hard to hear me, but you can see this is covering the front of my face and completely covering my neck, super wide brim. And then under here, I have this where I could really pull this down and tuck this in, and I'm getting all of the sun protection. So that's option one. This unsnaps. Wanted to show you a close-up of the snaps. So these are really nice, and this is just going to snap on right there. And then you have the back neck protection, and then your typical hat brim protection. Okay, and then last, we can take the neck strap off. And then you have your basic hat. Let's just take a few more close-up looks. Here it is from the front, from the side, from the back, and the other side, and the front. Such a great hat, so packable, so versatile. I just absolutely love a good hat, and this one is really, really great. So check this one out. I think you're gonna love it.